So let me show you right now how you can add another email account on your MacBook. So there are actually more ways you can do it. First of all, if you go to the settings app of your Mac, you can open it up like this, and you'll be in this page, in this window. And in the left panel where there's the scrollable list of menus, you need to get almost entirely to the bottom and you'll be able to find internet accounts. So this is what it looks like. It's indicated with a blue icon like this. You can click on internet accounts, and for me, I only have iCloud currently added, which I can use for my email and other services. But if you need more, you can click on add account like this and either type in your email address and continue with the sign in process. But what I think is even simpler is to click on the little text in the blue color which says choose from a list. And when you click on it like this, it's going to give you the logos or the providers of very popular email services, for example, Google or Yahoo, Microsoft, and so on. And if you tap on Google, for instance, it's going to get you to open up the browser in here, and you will have the ability to essentially just sign in with your Apple account to the Mac OS, right? So that's how it would work. You can see that we can proceed with it like that, or open up the Microsoft Exchange and continue with it and just sign in with a very specific provider right into your Mac. So that's how you can add it to your Mac account and then use it for, the built-in mail app and so on. So that's nice and it works well. But you can as well just use it within a web browser. Like you can always go to Safari and look up gmail.com and sign in with any account, right? And also add a new one and so on. So yeah, I guess you can also use it this way. But if you want to add it to the entire operating system, then you have to go through the settings. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Subscribe for more videos and tutorials like this one, and I'll catch you later.